Hey everyone, I'm here today with the January 2022 God's Glory box. If you guys have not been following along every month, God's Glory box is an awesome box that is a Christian subscription box. It's pretty small, but it comes once a month and it comes filled with little things that are a reminder of God. So let's see what is in this box this month. I love when we get shirts. So let's see what this one says. We rise by lifting others. Okay, so that's a cute shirt and it looks really comfy. So let's see here. We've got a little postcard. It's like a wooden postcard. Okay, cool. Well, that's cute. Okay, so we live, we stand, we walk, we fight, we overcome. And it has the verses. That's cute. And then we always get these stickers now every month. We get these big stickers. I'm not really sure. I don't think they go on your car. But I think they can just go like maybe in a scrapbook or something. But they're pretty big. So, and then it looks like this month I actually didn't get a little sheet like this that tells me what actually was coming in this box. So that's kind of odd. Usually we get the sheet that says what's in the box. But then the other one is the download. So this one wasn't really a huge box. We always pretty much get the stickers. Got this. This is pretty cool. Usually it's the clothing item that is the big item in these boxes. So I think like last time we got a hat. I do wish that these would come in long sleeves. That's just my personal wish, but that's okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what came in this box. If you like them, then go over to godsglorybox.com and check them out. And I will make sure to unbox all the rest of them that I get.